Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I don't do anything at all. Andy, any comments?
Yeah,
I'll just hold the camera and look pretty, eh?
At least he's honest.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
No, we've got quite a bit planned for today.
Yeah, back at it again.
Tried to do some prep work on the engine bay and interior. Like getting some colour of grey.
Colour of grey.
Colour of grey primer.
Or black. Black zinc.
Black zinc.
Yeah, no, today I just want to tidy up the roll cage a little bit, and Renan's going to work on the engine bay. So yeah, let's do it.
Sweet.
Not bad for a cowboy. First time I've ever used this tool. They call it a saber saw. I like it. Okay, I'll just take it.
Yeah. Don't try and fool the audience, mate.
I'll go grab the grinder. Oh, this one's not as nuggety as that one.
And on today's episode, Andy gets on grinder.
Or how to not catch on fire.
Oh, I don't know.
I think that's it.
Sweet.
Oh.
Oh. Can't take him anywhere.
Earmuffs off. All right. Again, quick release.
Quick release headlights. They're not really plugged in. Not sure how they're working.
Hey, probably should have had them up before. All right. So I'll get the drill and I'll take off the tags.
Sweet.
The cert tag.
Yeah.
And then should we try and drill out these while we're mucking around in here?
Yeah, drill
We
those
don't
out.
need that.
Nah.
It'd be awesome if every rivet didn't spin. Hey, one.
I'm looking for spanners, ratchets.
Oh, what the heck is that thing?
It's adorable is what it is.
Where did you find that?
In your toolbox. Hey, it's not about the size, it's how you use it.
I think it's hideous.
The problem is I don't think I can use it.
No. Where's the 10 gone? It's undone.
Hey?
It's undone.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry about it, Mr. Strongman.
No, it wasn't even hard.
I don't want to round it.
I'll try and take the little grommet with it.
Yeah.
Is it stuck somewhere? No. Yeah, pull that out. Yeah, that's it.
Yep.
Get that there, cool. That's that one. Nothing else to come off?
Don't think so. I think the rest
That's
after
alright.
that's
Yeah,
just unbolting stuff, and then
yeah. Awesome.
hopefully I can get the engine bay looking
Somewhat
nice.
presentable. I'll grab you some gear.
Yep. Subframe bolts, they might need an impact.
What is it?
Your subframe bolts.
Quick release.
I'm not buying this quick release stuff, man.
Well, you should be.
Okay, that one's not quick release.
Nah, the others aren't. To be honest, I actually took the nut off that for another car.
So what's the old rule? You never cut towards yourself?
But I find the best technique is cutting towards yourself.
Because you're pulling.
Yeah, you get a lot more strength. You just got to know when to stop.
It's weird because I look at my finger and I've got like oil on it. I'm like, have I cut myself? And I do it every 5 minutes.
I think that, apart from the master,
Yeah.
is all yours.
Sweet.
I'm just going to leave all of the bolts and stuff in this little galley.
That's fine.
Sort it all out after.
Yeah. Probably a good idea to keep doing this because there's a bit of
Yeah, I reckon just keep going with that for now.
cancer.
Yeah.
I found some bog.
Hey?
Found some bog.
No! This is a bog-free body.
Scrap it.
So, honestly, this whole thing's a roller coaster. Lots of ups and lots of downs.
I don't know, at this point it seems like a lot of downs. Waiting for the ups. To be fair, I don't know why there is bog.
Oh, keep digging, you'll find out why. So we were making a bit of sparks and a mess, so we thought we'd stop recording for a little bit, but we can show you what we've been up to. Tied up the half cage, so there's no longer parts of the full cage remnants, all gone. So it's tidy half cage now. And Renan is actually on the tools for most of the day. To be fair, he talked a lot. Has taken out all the seams.
Yeah, I've got a plan for the engine bay. Not sure if we're going to keep that quiet or not, but for the meantime, not going to spill any more beans. But yeah, the engine bay is getting a nice, good clean up and tidy up. So all the seam seal has been removed. We'll grind it out, and then yeah, I guess it's just pretty much spray a zinc coat on there to do all the exposed metal.
Yeah, so we'll spray some zinc on it tonight just to protect it. It's been a busy day. It's been a good day.
Yeah, it's been productive.
It's one of those days where you're doing the work that you dread and you don't want to do it, but without doing it, we just can't go forward.
It's the stuff like the prep and the painting. Oh, the painting's not too bad, but like the prep work where you kind of just want to put the camera down and just get stuck into it. It's long, tedious, and to be honest, I don't think too many people would be interested in watching us on a grinder for 3 hours.
We had it set up on time lapse, but it just kept killing the battery, so it was easy to turn it off. Yeah, but
I mean, if you want some grinder ASMR, then let us know.
Yeah. If you, I mean, Patreons and all, we can do all sorts of things. But really, if you got any questions about it or what we've used, what grits, just drop a comment. But really, it's just
the grit is wire.
The grit is wire, earmuffs, and lots of squinting. Even though you got safety glasses on, it's still you're like, oh heck, yeah.
Oh,
yeah, look at that.
No, don't. Yeah. Let's not sit on the car then.
Nah, that flexes hard.
Are you calling me fat?
Jeez. Oh, it'll come back up. It's not from you, it was before that anyway.
Yeah. So I've just broken the car.
This is how we do. Yeah. So really that brings us to the end of this episode, guys. Like normal, if you got any questions and want to know more, drop a comment in the comment section. Remember to like, subscribe, and feel free to share among your friends.
Exactly.
It all helps out.
any questions as well about what we're doing, how we're going about it, tools we're using, just feel free to ask. Andy and I are usually in the comments section anyway, so yeah, more than happy to answer any questions.
Yep, so as anyone that's built a car before or worked on a vehicle, we're just obviously in the prep stage, so there'll be a few episodes of just prep, I think, but that'll make for a good outcome when it comes to paint time.
Well, here's a nice wee shot off you. I've never touched prep work in my life.
This fills me with so much confidence that he was on the wheel today doing heaps of grinding.
I know theory of how to do stuff, just not practically.
Well, I mean, this is what this whole channel is about, right? We're all learning.
Exactly.
Yeah, so, yeah, come along for the ride, guys.
Sweet. Peace out.
Sweet, see ya.